Hey, it's Greg Luther here, and I want to cover an important topic here, how you can go broke as a real estate agent. Fact is, there's no shortage of ways for you to lose an awful lot of money and do bad things and squander a bunch of money trying to build your real estate business, but there's one way that you're certain to go broke as a real estate agent, and I'll tell you what that is: thinking that you need leads and you should be buying leads from various sources. Definitely going to go broke. As a matter of fact, I don't have to tell you that. I'm not teaching you anything you don't already know, because you've probably spent money buying leads from various sources and then actually blaming the leads. See, the leads aren't the problem. So I want to cover that in this quick video here to talk about why that's a guaranteed way for you to go broke. The fact is, no matter how many leads you have, person to person here, let's be honest, let me give you some business consulting. If your offer sucks, nobody's going to go with you. Doesn't matter if you're getting leads from Zillow, if you're giving $1,000 a month to Realtor.com, if you're using Commissions Inc. or Tiger Leads or Monster Leads or Amazing Leads or whatever. If the buyers and sellers don't want what you offer, you are dead in the water. If you make a call to someone and your question is, do you have someone to represent you? They don't want representation. If that's really what you're offering, next call you need to make is to the division of real estate. Get out of the business. Because it's happening slowly anyway, right? You're just dying a slow death if you believe that what you're going to do is represent someone and they want you to represent their best interest. Not going to happen. You can call 100 leads and see that that's not going to happen. So, moral of the story here, if you don't give the clients what they want, you will in fact go broke. Let me give you an example. What sounds more appealing to you? I'm going to give you two scripts. I want you to tell me which one sounds more appealing to you. Number one, do you have an agent to represent you? I can actually help you in finding the best home and negotiate on your behalf. And I know a lot about the area. I was born in the area and can do a really good job of negotiating a good deal and make sure all the terms are in the best favor of you and your family and what your goals are. Would you like someone to represent you that way? Or this offer. Hey, listen, you've probably been looking through all the overpriced, pick-through crap you're seeing online. And, if you're looking for a very specific type of home, very rare that those homes would be available because there's a lot of them that come on the market and they're gone within a matter of hours. I'm sure you know the professional home buyers and the best home buyers out there, they have priority access to unlisted properties. They're getting access to them before they hit the open market. We have what's called a Dream Home Finder program, whereby if you tell me exactly what you're looking for, the area, the price range, the school district you're most interested in, we'll go out and find unlisted properties that match exactly what you're looking for, and we can get you matched up with the sellers. That sound like something you'd be open to? Which of those sounds better? Now, we can refine that. We can put some sugar on it. We can round the edges off a little bit. We can make it sound good. That was just off the top of the head, making that offer. But I think you'll agree that's a heck of a lot more desirable rather than trying to stuff in their throat what it is that you want to give them and they have no interest. Because you know what it's going to come off as? I'm not interested. We're not in a big hurry. We're going directly through the listing agent. My brother's a realtor. All the crap that they say to you because they don't want what you offer. If you're calling leads and they're not saying this, wow, how do you do that? If they're not saying that, you are dead. The problem's not the leads. They're not motivated. They're going to buy a house. They're just not motivated to work with you because of the offer you have. Okay, I got a 62 Pinto out here. Are you motivated to buy a car? Oh, I had 20 people look at it. None of these buyers are motivated to buy a car. It's a 62 Pinto. Nobody wants it. You can't give it away. Your representation is no longer desired by them because they know if they cut you out of the deal, they'll save 2%. On a $400,000 home, they're already down to $392,000 and they haven't negotiated with the seller yet, because they got 2% off from the listing agent. You're not negotiating a $400,000 home lower than $392,000. That's where they're starting at by getting rid of you. So moral of the story, the best way for you to go broke is to think that you need to buy yourself more leads rather than thinking you need to increase your offer. I'll give you an example in my business. So I've got a lot of real estate agents that love the coaching and the advice and the videos I do for them and that type of thing. They always get some good ideas in it. Just kind of get your mind working the right way. Well, my next step for them to show them some of the marketing approaches and actual ads and scripts that we use, and 3 different approaches you can use for totally free marketing to grow your real estate business. What I do is I do a Wednesday training webinar to teach agents how to do it. Well, guess what? A lot of them don't want to wait till Wednesday. So how crazy would it be for me to keep saying, hey, I can help you in growing your real estate business if you jump on the Wednesday webinar? Most of them are like, man, I could have 2 closings by next Wednesday, or 2 deals in contract by next Wednesday if you can really show me how to use free marketing. So here's what we did this week. I told my team, I said, look, I'm tired of doing this Wednesday. I want them to get it immediately. So what we did is we set up a website. I'll tell you the website, but I want you to promise me you won't go there unless you qualify under the following terms. If you go to getfastclosings.com, you can actually see that training on demand. Now, here's the key. I do not want you to go there unless you have 30 minutes to dedicate to your business right now that you can sit down, take notes, start to actually put something together to build a business for yourself. If that's the case, you can go to getfastclosings.com. You can get registered, and within a couple of minutes, it'll give you that webinar training on demand. You'll see the free ads you can run, how you can grow your business. Yes, we need good leads, but we also need a good offer for those people. You'll see that on there, and that's the quickest way to get you started. But that's an example of giving the clients what they want. When you look at what buyers and sellers are looking for, you know what they want? They want you to give them access to something they can't get on their own. What are you going to do? Run a search on the MLS? Shit, they did that at 3 o'clock in the morning last night. You can't run a search to tell them what's available. They have access to the MLS. An IDX link is actually linked to the MLS. So your job is to create an offer that makes sense for them, that's exciting for them, that they want to meet with you and do business. You're going to go broke if you think you need more leads. You're going to go broke if you think those leads aren't motivated, yet when you go back 90 days later, you see a huge portion of them already bought or sold a house without you. You got to get your offer right. The offer is the problem to the general public. So I want you to fix that. Again, if you've got time to fix your business, go to getfastclosings.com. It's probably somewhere in the description here, getfastclosings.com. But I want you to have 30 minutes to dedicate to your business. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Get these little 3-4 minute clips, get you motivated, that type of thing. But for you to actually get closings next month, this is the way to make that happen. Getfastclosings.com. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Increase your offer or nobody's going to want it. I'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther. Find more on us at gregluthercoaching.com. We'll talk later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. And listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you gotta ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.